This video is on Boolean algebra. The content of this video will be the values of Boolean algebra, then basic operations of Boolean algebra, and we will discuss few more operations of it, then truth table of these operations, then De Morgan's law and verification of De Morgan's law. The values of Boolean algebra is 0 and 1, or 0 means false and 1 means true. That is, in normal algebra there are 10 values, 0 to 9, but in Boolean algebra there are only 2 values, 0 or 1, that is false and true. The basic operation of normal algebra are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, where in Boolean algebra the basic operations are or, and not. OR operation, the sign of OR operation is plus. So if two values are ORed together, that is A plus B, the output will be depicted here. This is called truth table. This is input 1, this is input 2, and this is the output of the OR operation. So we can see that if two input values are false, then the output is false. Otherwise the output of OR operations is true. That is, this is the all possible combinations of A and B, that is false false, false true, true false, true true. Now if the value of A and value of B both are false, then the output is false. Otherwise false true is true, true false is true, true true is true. So the output will be false only if both of the input values are false. This is in case of OR operations. In case of AND operations, the sign is dot. So these are the all possible combination of A and B. The output will be false every time. In case where the both of the values are true, it will be true. So if input 1 and input 2 both of them are true, then the output is true. Otherwise all of the values will be false. False false false, false true false, true false false. Another operation is not. That is, it is the negation of the input value. That is, if the input is false, the output is true. If the input is true, the output is false. So these are the basic operations of Boolean algebra. These are the basic operations of Boolean algebra. These are some more operations in Boolean algebra which are frequently used, and we can derive this from these basic operations. So NOR operation is the AND not of OR operation. NAND operation is not of AND operation. XOR is more difficult, that is A and B not, or A not and B. XNOR is A and B, or A not and B not. So this is the table of NOR operation. So we can see that if both of the values are false, the output will be true, and if both of the input is true, that is false, true false false, false true false. That is, it is the opposite of OR operation. In OR operation we have seen that if both of the input values are false, the output will be false. Otherwise the output of other combinations are true. So this is the negation of OR operation. Similarly, in NAND operations, we know that in AND operation, if both of the values are true, the values will be true. So in NAND, it is the opposite of AND operation, and here if both of the values are true, that will be false. Otherwise, other combinations of input values will give out the result of true. XOR operations is A and B naught plus A naught dot B. It can be derived as A plus B and A naught plus B naught. So here the output will be false if both of the input are same, that is false false or true true. If the input are different, if the input are opposite, then the output will be true. This is XOR operation. In XNOR operation, this is all the possible combination of A and B, and this is the output. So if both of the input values are same, the output will be true, otherwise it will be false. Now De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law is very basic in simplifying Boolean algebra. So here De Morgan proved that A and B naught equal to A naught or B naught, and second law, A or B naught equal to A naught and B naught. So we can prove this by truth table. So this is the first law, A and B naught equal to A naught or B naught. That is, this is the values of A and B, all possible combinations. The left hand side AB is A and B, that is false false false. If both of the input values are true, the output is true. So the AB naught, the left hand side, is opposite of AB, that is true 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 false. And the right hand side, opposite of A naught, true true false false. Opposite of B, false true, that is opposite of B, true false. Now A or B, A naught or B naught, that is OR operation is performed on A naught and B naught. So that will be true false. So we can see that left hand side A B naught equal to A naught or B naught. So the true values are same. So we can verify that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Similarly, second law, A or B naught, that is equal to A naught and B naught. This is the all possible combinations of A and B. A or B is false, true, that is if both of the values are false, that will be false in OR operation. A naught is opposite of A, true, false. Opposite of B, true, false. Then left hand side value A or B naught, that is A or B naught, opposite of this, that is true, false. And if we perform the AND operation of A naught and B naught, that will be true only when the values of both of the input values are true. So this is true and other combinations are false. Now from these two columns we can see that these two columns are same, so we can verify that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So now we know the values of Boolean operation, Boolean algebra, the basic operations of Boolean algebra, truth table of those operations, De Morgan's law and verification of De Morgan's law. So you can try few more operations and find the values in truth table of those operations. If you have queries and suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. We will discuss more of Boolean algebra in our next videos. Thank you.